Look at that. Umpimet, come wash the dishes. Wash the dishes, please.
Open the can and fix it out. Must leave it.
Yeah.
It can blow out. And if it doesn't work, we still have more to try. Why am I scared? Okay, it's supposed to come up from here.
Okay.
Ah!
Give it a try.
If it doesn't make, I'm gonna try it again.
It's okay. You try again.
You look so...
Leila.
It's supposed to come
You see your TikTok
It
tricks?
worked on YouTube. Okay, let me try and make a
Okay.
bigger one. I think I know why it didn't work. Because I'm supposed to put a hole inside so it can blow out. So let me try it again.
No.
She's always been based in Joburg.
So she said, I think she booked.
Does she have a job?
She works.
Oh.
Hey, but what do you mean? She works. So she booked somewhere for like a painting.
Oh,
Don't
can I come? I know the artist. I was.
Well, now you always want to tag along, sissy. It's for me. She sent me a message and said, Auntie, can we please go out and celebrate your birthday? I said, girl, say no more.
Say less.
Say no more. Okay, and then I said, girl, say no more.
There was more than this.
Sorry?
Did someone eat?
No, no one ate.
There were 8 and 6.
Guys, TikTok said you can't break a boiled egg. Which
Take it to you. Let me share this time.
break a boiled egg.
Just... It's gone.
No, like break it.
I'm sorry.
Weak. You've been shaking. You can't. Just believe TikTok for once.
What if I drop it on the floor? It's gone.
Yeah, but you can. Oh, I know what I was doing wrong, manje.
Go on.
Supposed to put the hole here.
Lemawe. Now you're just playing.
But I'm still spoiling the eggs.
Now you guys just playing, girl. Your cats were screaming yesterday.
Whose cats?
The cats outside. The neighbor's cats. Like,
What's the name?
guys, if you have anything that I can use to get
To get rid of these cats.
please. Anything, just share it.
Hey, but not like there'll be a cat repellent.
I hope there is.
He.
I'm tired. They're always fighting, screaming, making noise. So,
Sikata.
sikhathele. Yazi sikhathele. As neighbors, sikhathele. Umphumetse washizithi. Meat is done. I can cook. Now I can. Palas, you do the chakalaka. I need to bath. Can't be late for my lunch date. Kumele ngigeze. Omunye sisi ujealous. Uyambona nje ebusweni. Sorry sisi ne. Uzoba right. Uzoba grand. Uzoba grand, my angel. Mixed herbs.
Balas.
Yes, uzoba grand.
Balas.
Let's open the door. I don't understand why I always close the door in this heat. There's that one. There's.
I'm helping you again.
No. I'm doing a quick, simple look. I'm just putting on foundation, eyeliner. That's it. Permit and Lim. Always fighting. Lim. Limo, why are you guys fighting? What?
His pee very drop. That has been sitting there.
But I get it, you can ask nicely, Limo. You don't have to shout. Hmm? And?
He says he doesn't want to.
The joke.
I'm picking up the joke.
You don't have to scream at each other all the time. There's no need. In this heat, you're like screaming too much. So it's a simple look, guys. Fine. Just the subtle look. I always shape my eyebrows, so there's no need for me to use a brow pencil. See? Is that shaped? Shaped. Stop fighting. Stop fighting, guys. I'm putting on eyeliner. Awubona ukuthi ngiyenzani? Ilo ukuthi niyalwa ngisho. Niyalwa every day. Every second. Khona screamayo. Simple. Yeah, she's. You all need to stop now. Continue. Lemo anikwazi ukukhuluma kahle wena noMphimethi. Ningabi. Anikwazi.
What do you don't understand?
I understand me. Uthi you must fight all the time. Uthini? This is the simple look. Uyamapha la phansi. Thela amanzi uthela idomestos kuyashisa. My lip gloss is in the car. This is my final look. Wearing this summer dress. Sandals, the bag. Here is my bag for the day. Full outfit. There we go. Catch up with you all later. We're here.
If there's any part of your items that is not painted, it will give you this cream white color once it's bleached. Alright. Once you start to paint, only apply 2 or 3 coats in your items. If you apply only 1 coat, your item won't come out nice. 2 or 3 coats is perfect. Your color will be solid, like this black color that you see here. And always make sure your paint is not too thick, because if it becomes too thick, it will spoil your items in the oven. Alright. Next one is dotting. These dots that you see here and these bokeh lines. These two, we use this bokeh here. With this bokeh, you only apply it once in your items. Right, you see that it is blocked here. But if it's like this, do not force it. Because if you force it, it will explode. Explode, right? So as soon as this pin becomes ready, just take your pin. And you have to unblock here.
Like the video thing. Yeah. Are you on TikTok? Yes. I post a list of them TikTok. No, I post them on YouTube. I was You must discover me. You must discover me. I suppose not discover I'm within. No, on TikTok I just post my outfits. That's all. And spend the day with me. I do it. When do you get time to edit these things? At night. Because it's a lot. Yeah, the editing is a lot. Yeah. Yeah. But it's like, I think the more you do it, it becomes. Yeah. You just need to do it as often as possible. Then, like, so I have a book club. Yeah. At the book club, like, these people that just always take content, I was like, guys, I love it. How often do you guys meet? Once a month. Once a month? Yeah. Do you sit and read a book or do you give reviews? We give reviews. So, like, yesterday we were reading, we were debriefing on the book that we read in January. Yeah. No, yeah, in January. Yeah. In February. Yeah, and every first Saturday of the month, we meet to debrief and say, okay, how did you feel about the book? What did you learn? Like this day. It's fun though. Yeah. Even if you're not done with the book. Yeah, because if you're not done, so we give a summary. We say, okay, it's a day.
They call it this.
Okay. Very up to date. Yeah. How does it end? Yeah. And then we usually do like a first things first. It's like a 1 word to describe how you felt while you were reading the book. So it can be anything. Yesterday's book was
A lot of people are talking about nostalgia and like taking you back to when you were younger.
Which book was it? Is it the one? Oh, that you posted.
Yes,
Is it not the brown one?
no, the brown one was December.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you done with it? Can I borrow it?
We have it.
Yes.
Why I got so you can pass by anytime.
Yeah. Because I saw this other lady in hospital reading it, no? So I was like, yeah, because one of our colleagues fell ill in 17. So I had to accompany her to the hospital. And this lady was sitting there in pain, reading the book. And I was like, girl, you are brave. As much as you are so much in pain and you still have time and the energy to read a book while in hospital. So I was like, I must get the book because I initially wanted to buy Let That, but I thought, let me wait for it to be on sale.
You listen to her podcast
All the time.
and
And
I don't want to mess
people
it up for you.
and people always post reviews and
the book.
take pictures of pages and give reviews. So I feel like
Both the books. I
is it? So I'm like, okay, maybe might as well get a hard copy, but because I follow her daily. Sometimes I listen to her podcast in the morning just for me to start a day on a positive note.
Listen to most of her podcasts. You'd rather borrow the book than buy it.
Yeah.
Because it's literally what she says every day.
Yeah.
So it's at least you have someone to borrow you.
Yes.
But okay, I didn't buy it myself.
Yeah.
Let them. But I was just like, I'm glad I didn't buy it with my money because I would have felt like it's a waste of my money. There's no
unity. There's no sense of unity. There's no sense of, you know what, guys, let's have each other's backs. No. It's the same thing with the kids. We don't prioritize learners. And everyone prioritizes what they think is important in their life. And Mina, if counting is what's important in my class, then my kids will count and they will excel in mathematics and everything. And not excel in other learning areas because that's what I prioritize. And there's no one who's policing what you are doing in your own class with your space. You just need to make sure we see your work coverage is at par. Because even the TVEs, you totally have to force learners and parents to step in and make sure that we do this matter. Because they feel it's a lot.
So what are they teaching?
What? No, we use, isn't it? We use the TVEs as an extra resource, right? So,
That's the primary resource.
it is, but it's an extension of what was done in class. Let's say maybe today we were doing a comprehension. Then you'd give them a page on their 3 books to okay, go give this comprehension, go do it at home and see if we're able to read for understanding. Or you can comprehend what you get, then answer the questions in 4 sentences because our kids don't. Sentence construction is still a challenge itself. And if they can't read, they cannot construct sentences unfortunately. So we give them to do it at home, but those who work faster are able to complete it in class. But then when you ask for the TVEs to be done at home, parents always come back to be like, no, it's a lot.
Being a parent to the teacher.
Yes. Why in a class? In a class of 40 something learners.
Also, I don't think parents understand they are as much teachers as teacher is.
They're
So if they don't read themselves, how is they talk on the phone without reading? If all they watch this kids they play games on their phones, they don't even have like any educational thing that they consume.
yeah.
teachers are doing today because you have to start from scratch. When schools close, they're back to playing games again. You have to
Back to square one. The reason why my kids read is because I put a rule. Yoguti, I'm not getting you anything you can't spell.
Yes.
I'm not getting you anything you can't read. We are at checkers. You're asking me, can I have marshmallows? Spell it. Then you put it in the basket. That's my thing. It's, if I buy you a book, they know. In 2 weeks' time, you give me a review. The next 2 weeks, the book is done. Then that's how I got them into the habit of reading. Because number one, you need to make time as a parent. Make sure you supply your child with the resources. And be there. Listen.
So that you can correct.
So that you can correct.